Hi, this is Dr. Zavush, and today I'll be going over some important key exercise and stretches for the neck. These stretches are designed for people that they have chronic neck pain, whether from work injuries, sport injuries, postural imperfection, or working all day at the desk, either at your home or at your office. These exercises and stretches are focusing to stretch your neck and shoulder muscles, and you have to do them for about 4 to 5 times each day, and every stretch you have to hold them between 20 to 30 seconds based on your tolerance. All right, in order for them to be effective, you just have to follow this protocol of holding them 20 to 30 seconds and do them 4 to 5 times each day. All right, let's begin. The first set of neck exercise and stretches are basically for stretching the front, the back, the side of the neck muscles, and improving the range of motion of your neck. So the first one is you sit up straight and your shoulders should be relaxed. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna tuck your chin in, and then you're gonna be flexing your neck all the way down. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you're gonna slowly bend or extend your neck all the way up. Hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you're gonna be turning your neck to one side. In my case, I'm gonna be turning it to my left. Just make sure your neck is relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed. When you're done, you turn it to the other side. And then when you're done, you're gonna tilt your neck to one side. In my case, I'm tilting it into my left. And this is basically to stretch the shoulder and neck muscles. Then when you're done, you're gonna be tilting it to the other side. And you should be feeling it around the muscles here. And then again, you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you're done, you're gonna rotate your neck clockwise. And basically you start from here, you go all the way, just like this. And then you're gonna be rotating it counterclockwise. Basically, this improves the range of motion of your neck. One important key point about this rotation is that a lot of people, they rotate it like this. You should not go back, or you shouldn't extend your neck while you're rotating it. The rotation should be more in front, just like this one. So you tuck your chin in, and then you're gonna be rotating your neck. So it's more about bending forward and flexion. You don't wanna do this one. You don't wanna go, this is not good for the neck, as it's jamming the joint or the vertebra in the back. So when you rotate your neck, you just want to keep your neck more in flexion. So while you do that a few times clockwise and counterclockwise, the next stretch is for the shoulder and the side of the neck. Basically, you keep your arm straight, you bring it across your chest, use the other hand, you press it in, and then at this point, your neck will follow your hand all the way down, just like this one. And you should be feeling the stretch behind the shoulder, on the side of the neck, back of the neck, and you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, slowly relax it. Again, you keep your arm straight, you bring it across your chest, use the other hand, you press it in, and then your neck will follow your hand all the way down, as if you're looking down in this direction. Again, you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, slowly relax it. Again, you have to do these 4 to 5 times each day in order for them to be effective for your neck and shoulder muscle stretches. So when you're done, the other one is basically you turn your neck 45 degrees to one side. You look all the way down as if you're looking down your knee. Use the same hand. You're gonna apply a bit of a pressure, just like this one. And you should feel the stretch on the side. You don't want to pull it down. You just want to put your hand on the top of your head to create that stretch. And then as soon as you feel the stretch, you just want to hold it there. By holding the stretch, what happens is that the muscle fibers will slowly get stretched, and that's what we need. We don't want to keep pulling it down because sometimes the muscle can go into spasm from overstretching. So keep that in mind. So when you're done this for about 20 to 30 seconds, slowly bring it back to the middle, turn 45 degrees, you look down, use this hand, and then you're gonna apply a bit of a pressure. Again, you're gonna feel the stretch right there. When you are done, again, you bring it back to the middle. The next one is you raise your hand and put it in the back of the shoulder as far as you can, and then you're gonna turn your neck, and then you're gonna look all the way down, the same as we did before at 45 degrees, and then you're gonna add this one. With this stretch, you will be feeling it more in the back of the shoulder and the side of the neck. Okay, when you're done, you bring it down. Again, you raise this arm in the back, you turn your neck 45 degrees, you look all the way down, use this hand to stretch it. And then you're done. Now the other one is basically stretching the front of the neck and the chest muscles. And that's basically for people that they do a lot of desk work. So what happens is that their shoulders and their chest muscles become tighter and shorter. The shoulder muscles rolled in and the neck will follow forward, which creates a lot of tension here. So in order to stretch it, you're gonna keep your arms straight. You're gonna extend them all the way back. At the same time, you're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades on the back, and you're gonna basically extend your neck all the way up, and you're gonna hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You're gonna be feeling the stretch all the way here, and when you're done, you're gonna be relaxing it. The other stretch is you kind of put your palms together as if you're gonna be diving, and then you're gonna be bending your neck and your back all the way forward. And basically this is a stretch for the back of your shoulders and the neck area. So these stretches are very important. You have to do them at least between 4 to 5 times each day. And before you go on doing these stretches, it's best to talk to your healthcare provider and make sure your condition would be fit to do these stretches. That is important. So make sure you talk to your healthcare provider before you start or attempting doing these stretches. And once you have the okay, these stretches will be very beneficial to your neck, your shoulder muscles, or even side shoulder muscles. All right, the next one is basically for the chest muscles, because these muscles also get tight, and because they are connected to your neck, it will affect your neck function as well. So the way to stretch it is that, again, you keep your arms straight, you extend it backward as far as you can go. At this time, you're gonna tilt your neck to this side. So you should feel a nice stretch from the side of the neck all the way down to the arm and sometimes forearms. So you hold it for about, again, 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, slowly you bring it in. You keep your arms straight, you extend it all the way back, and then you're gonna be tilting your neck backwards or to the other side, and you should feel the stretch around here and also your chest as well. And when you're done, you slowly relax it. When you're stretching a muscle and when you finish with it after 20 or 30 seconds, come out of the stretch mode very slowly, because if you take it too quickly, sometimes the muscle will go into spasm, and that can create muscle pain or muscle strain. So when you're stretching it, do it very slowly, hold it, and then when you're done, slowly come out of that stretch mode. The other important thing about the stretching is that some people think that if they hold the stretch, it's more beneficial. Usually when you stretch a muscle, after 30, 40 seconds, the muscle is already at the top level of a stretch. So if you hold it it's not gonna do anything. The important part is when you are doing the stretches is the frequency of stretches. So instead of holding it in one position for 1 minute, it's best to hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, but trying to do that stretch 4 to 5 times each day. That will give you more benefit than just doing one stretch once per day, even if you hold it for about a minute or two. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, for neck, the stretches are very limited. Basically, the ones that I showed you are the important key stretches for the neck, especially for people that they have chronic neck pain or postural issues with their neck, or sometimes they have tension headaches. It usually comes from spasmic or muscle tension around the neck and the shoulders. So if you can review this video and go through the stretches and try to do them at least few times, 4 to 5 times each day, and holding them for 20 to 30 seconds, very soon you'll notice that your neck and shoulder muscles are very lighter and the range of motion of your neck is much better. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.